Hello everyone, this is episode 8 of Python problem solving series and where we will solve 10 advanced Python problems using list, nested loops and patterns. These are excellent for coding interviews, competitive program and logical thinking. Let's get started. Question number 1 is print hollow right angle triangle where pattern for n equal to 5. So the code is n int input that a number 5 will be inputted, and for I in range 1 n plus 1 for j in range 1 I plus 1. If j equal to 1 or j equal to 1 or I equal to n, that should print the star and should be separated, and else print spaces and should be separated. Print. So this is the nested loops plus conditions to print border stars and intermediate pattern printing exercise. The next question is print pyramid of numbers. For printing the pyramid of numbers, we have to use the loop. So the code is n equal to int input for I in range 1 n plus 1 and print space multiply of star into n minus I, and n should be separated by some spaces. For j in range 1 I plus 1 print j and n by separated by some spaces. For j in range I minus 1 0 to minus 1, that should print the j and n should be separated. So lastly that should print the pyramid of numbers. So this is the first spaces, then ascending numbers and then descending numbers. This is the classic coding interview pattern. The next question is flatten nested list. A nested list is given and the list compression to flatten nested list efficiently. Key for handling nested data in Python. So here is the code is nested equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and flat should be item for sublist and nested for item in sublist. That should print the flat. The next question is find duplicate elements in a list. For find the duplicate elements in a list, we have to count frequency using the count function and collect duplicates in a set to avoid the repetition. So here is the array is 1 2 3 2 4 1 5 given, and duplicate should be set of x per x in array if r not count x greater than 1. That should print the duplicates. The next question is rooted list by n positions. So we have to use the slice that should the list and concatenate for rotation. That should efficient without using loops. So here array equal to 1 2 3 4 5 n should be 2 and rotated equal to array of n sum with array of n. That should print the rotated list by n positions. The next question is find missing number in a list. So we have to use the math formula sum of 1 to n numbers and then minus sum array that gives the missing number. So here array equal to 1 2 4 5 6 and n equal to length of array plus 1. Basing should be n into n multiply of n plus 1 divided upon 2 and then subtract with sum of array. That should print the missing number. This is optional solution without loops. Question number 7 is print diamond star pattern. So here we have to use the two nested loops, one for upper and then another for lower parts of diamond. And here the code is n equal to 3 for I in range 1 n plus 1 print star multiply with n minus I and plus star multiply with 2 into I minus 1. For I in range n minus 1 0 to minus 1, that should print the diamond star pattern. This is the common pattern solving problem in interviews. The next question is remove duplicates and sort the list. So we have to set removes duplicates and use the sorted function for orders of the list. So here array equal to 4 to 1 to 5 1 and unique sorted will be sorted of set of array that should print the unique sorted. This is efficient Python solution for data cleaning. The next question is find second largest and second smallest. So here is the array is given. We have to unique should be sorted of set of array and print second smallest is unique of 1 and second largest should be unique of minus 2. That should remove sort and pick elements by index, and this is classic list manipulation task. And the last question is find all pairs with given sum. Here is the array is given 1 2 3 4 5. We have to target the file 5 and pair should be xy for I x in enumerator, array for y in array I plus 1 if x plus y equal to target. That should print the pairs. This is the combination of nested loop and list compression that finds all unique pairs submit to target. This should efficient and clean Python approach. In this episode, we solved advanced list problems using nested loops and complex patterns. So that are hollow triangle pyramid, diamond pattern list, and duplicates and rotation, listing number, and some pairs. These exercises are perfect for interview preparation and competitive programming. If you want episode 9, where we will solve dictionary, lambda, and mini project combined problems, and comment episode 9. Like, share, and subscribe to continue mastering Python problem solving series. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.